Hi, I'm Chris. Today I'll show you how to find the results of your measurement of the beamwidth, statistical moments, and also the distribution parameters. Hello, in this movie I would like to tell you a few words about measurement tab in the Huaris software, which can be used for laser beam characterization. The measurement tab essentially presents the measurement results. If the measurement is valid, so if the intensity is not too low or too high, or if your beam is not too close to the edge of the detector, then the software will perform calculations to provide you with the values defining, for example, beam width. In the software we provide a few types of parameters defining the beam width. They are called full width at half maximum, the first one. Second one is 1 over e squared. Third one is 1 over e, and the last one is for sigma. All these parameters are calculated along x and y axis as they are defined in the 2D view. Additionally, if you are using elliptical beam measurement, the epsilon parameter will be calculated as well. Epsilon is defined as ratio between the actors. In the second section, we are displaying distribution parameters because as I told you in the first movie, we defined the type of distribution. Here it's Gauss. So we are defining here we are showing here all values of this Gauss distribution parameters, again along x and y axis. The final section presents the statistical moments for Gauss distribution only, and these are again calculated along x and y axis, and we calculate statistical moments up to the fourth. Thank you very much for watching, and let me invite you to check the following movies.